All right, so just to recap, so that's the replaceable cleaning filter. It was already installed, it was just sitting there installed, so false alarm. I'll put that back in because that was like a showstopper already. So that goes in there, that's done. All right. I'll do it. Now I'll go back to the quick menu because that's pretty much what's on there. Other one. Take out the cleaning tray, clip the replaceable filter into the slot, which was already in there, and put the cleaning base with the cleaning filter installed back in the dock, which is done. Number 5, remove the dock front cover. Insert the dust bag, which was already in place. And I'll put it in the direction. So basically they're just saying that goes all, push the dustbin until this, push it in until that that red line disappears, which I don't know. I mean, this thing comes in and out as well, if you can see. So I'm not entirely sure what to go with that. But I'll push it in, and the red line's pretty much disappeared. So I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so done there. Dust bag installation until it hits the bottom. Install the dock front panel in the proper place. So we'll do that. There's the front panel. Front panel just goes into those 2 spots there. It's not a, it's an easy sort of remove fit. I'll come back a bit. I'll just leave that there anyway. Okay, next step. Dust bag installation. Add detergent. With clean water, with the clean water tank, using the detergent cap to measure an appropriate amount of detergent into the clean water tank, securely close the tank lid and shake gently to mix. 7. Also 4. Placing the multifunctional, so plug into the power cord into the back of the dock and connect the power. Leave an open space of at least 45 mil, half a meter long in front of the dock for the robot to enter and leave the dock. Do not put the dock close to a heat source. So this is where we're going to put it for now. It's got plenty of room. All right, here we go. Narwal, you go in there, girl. Yeah. So it says the recognition algorithms are only running locally in the robot, and the photos will not be uploaded to the cloud to protect your privacy. So I guess we can take that off. So now it's, you can see what's going on. Hey, there you go. Alright, I might plug, or actually I'll fill, said remove the anti-collision foam, which I've done. Place the thing in the dock. Leave it open so yep. 6, add clean water. So clean water is on the right hand side, which is that one there. Detergent. Pour the detergent into the detergent holder. The robot will automatically mix the detergent with clean water during the cleaning process. But it's saying mix water level. Open the clean water tank, fill the clean water. Please fasten the upper lid of the tank and put it back into the dock. Add detergent. Stage 6. Open the clean water tank and fill with clean water. All right, let's go. What do I do? Put that in there. There's you can't see the water level there. Keep going. That's enough. Alright, I trust you. Water goes in. Oh, actually no. Maybe we'll put the detergent in. Well, it says it put it into the thing, so you're in. Alright. And then with the clean water tank full, using the detergent cap, measure an appropriate amount of detergent into the clean water tank. Securely close the tank lid and shake gently to mix. Please use the detergent from Narwal, otherwise the device may become faulty. Please use the bottle cap to measure the detergent. For the specific method, refer to how to use on the bottle. Alright, well, it's saying I take it off, open it up. Doesn't really say how much. Oh, here we go. It's got no real smell. It's probably got a thing on it. Yep. Smells like citrus. Maybe a little bit like orange. Okay, cap back on. Good enough. It's said to shake it up, but I'm not gonna. I don't trust this that much. Okay, that just closes. And then we go to put the cord in, which goes in the back here. Up there. Okay, here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh. What else? What else? Boot setting. Push the robot into the dock with the slide brushes facing outwards. There we go. The dock will beep once to indicate that the charging is successful, and will return itself on and prompt a voice message, which it just did. Connect and bind the robot to the app. So we've got that app there, I'm assuming. And then I'll do that. Then we're all good to go. Thank you.